And welcome. Today we will see how to do basic mathematics function in the SCL language in the TI portal. So let us begin. So here we will add the SCL function. So here we will do basic mathematics function like out is equal to a plus b, out is equal to a minus b, out is equal to a multiply by b, and out is equal to a divided by b. Okay, so let us take one db. So in this db, what we'll do, we'll add some real values. Input 1. So it should be real, integer, double integer. Input 8 and output, so where we can store the calculations. Output 1 and this output 4. Okay, so now here we will see basic addition function first. Okay, so our result we should be stored in the out. So our result, it will be in the out 1 is equal to our a plus b is data. This is input 1 plus data block put 2. Okay, so this is the basic mathematics function. Input a plus input b, input a plus b result will be stored in the out 1. Okay, so we call this into the ob, and we will download it into this PLC. Okay, now we can see the value in the out is 0 and input 1 and input 2 is 0. So now what we can do, we can simulate the values. Let's say 10 in the input 1 and 20 in the input 2. So in the input 1 is 10, input 2 is 20, so result will be 30. So like this we can do, we can simulate up to whatever the permissible value in the real tag. Okay, so like this we can simulate the input 1 and input 2. So we can see the value. Okay, so now in the same way we can do the subtraction. Data block 1, out 2, here data block input 3 subtract data block input 4. Simply we can download it into the PLC. We can see the result here. We 200, and in the input 4 we do 199.5, so result is zero point 0.5. So here again we can check it for negative value. So 200 minus 201 minus is equal to -1. Okay, so let us do the multiplication. Data block out 3 is equal to data block 1 5 multiply by data block input 6. So let us check 50 multiply by 0, output is 0, so 50 multiply by 0 0.5, output should be 25. So now here again we change to 5000. Okay, so result 50 multiplied by 5 50,000, it will be stored in the out 3. So again for last out 4 data block input 7 divided by data block input 8. Again download. Now it is giving some garbage value initially. So 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. So like this, we can do mathematical calculation in the SCL language in the TI portal. Thank you.